This is your Dynacom Cat6 48-port rack mount patch panel. Now this Cat6 component rated patch panel provides excellent performance for data networks requiring maximum speed and bandwidth. Exceeds ANSI TIA EIA Category 6 connecting hardware requirements. Engineering to provide 110 IDC termination, reducing installation time. Includes 568A and 568B color wiring diagrams. Backward compatible to meet all lower rated category components. Installation instructions included. Fits all 19-inch racks and cabinets. UL listed. You can order online at discountlowvoltage.com.